So it's a chilly afternoon here in La Palmera. We're just here. Yes, so look at that beautiful view of La Palmera. We're so blessed to be here today.
Welcome to our house, mini
Yes.
house.
This is our house for tonight.
Yes, happy.
This will be our room. House,
Yes,
Pwede room lang.
Room lang gali, room lang.
So look at how amazing our room tonight.
Room tour
Mag-room
Sorry,
tour ka,
guys.
one single ano lang.
for single.
No boyfriends allowed.
Yes.
No pets allowed.
Yes.
So this is Bless. Single. Flex ko lang siya. Single, buot, gwapa, loyal. Sobrahan ko loyal. Ginapatato niya ang pangalan ng boyfriend. Our dinner.
Pang Korean. Balot gali, guys.
Ramen. It's very cold here. Super lamig. Tara na, mukbang ta sa bukid.
Hello.
Dito sa din
Magmukbang
lamig
kami
ang
sa-
hangin.
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi and Jin ramen.
And balot and ano ni? Paa.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Tag 75 lang, guys. Sa La Palmera. Only in La Palmera.
Ari guys, oh. 75. Ay, 70 lang. Bari ka
Ay,
naging pamahalan
70.
mo, overpricing ka.
Sorry.
Bye guys. So we're preparing now to go for a hike.
Sorry.
Today it's October
10.
11. 11, 2020.
Ah,
So,
10. Kailan dito pa? Oh.
Go! Hike ka, hike. Tara! Harap na! Let's go! Woo! Such a beautiful day here in La Palmera. Wow! Look at that! Oh, there's a river. There.
Don't